Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have our 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to be replacing the blow motor. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. First thing we're going to do is open the hood. We're going to disconnect the negative battery so that we have, whenever working with electrical, you always want to disconnect the negative and wait about 30 seconds to a minute before disconnecting anything. 10mm wrench, lift it up, tuck it aside, make sure it doesn't rest on that. So on the driver's floor compartment, you'll see this kick panel under the glove box area. And there's 4 connections, they're metal clips. I take a flat screwdriver and I push down in there and I pull the tab out. And then I have this one electrical connector right here. We could disconnect the whole thing right there. Let's discard that, and now we can have access to the blow motor. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the electrical connector by pushing down on this tab and pull out the connector. Got a body clip tool, and I'm going to disconnect where it punches in over here. Let's see if it's in the way. Actually, I don't think it touches it, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave that right there. There's 3 mounting screws. They're 8mm socket. Take those out. And the last one is right here. As someone that works on cars, this is where you pray that there's no sleeping mouse family in that blow motor. We don't want to disturb them. More or less, we don't want to be disturbed. Bring that down. Now you might have to manipulate a little bit, not much. And here we have the blow motor with the cage intact. So here we have the actual blow motor we just ordered from 1A Auto, and here is the factory blow motor. The one from 1A comes with its cage. It's balanced, just like the factory. Those are those metal clips you'll see inside on these fins. That means that they powered this up, made sure it worked, and they balanced the cage out so you don't get a vibration noise. Comes with the resistor, just like the factory one. You have the same connector, 3-prong connector right there, and 3 mounting screws. And this actually goes to the vent. There's a cooling system that lets the air flow in here to cool that motor down because of the resistor that's mounted on the back. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Now we're just going to reverse procedure to install the new one. Now because no leaves came out or anything, it's pretty clean in here. Normally I would just check real quick by putting my hand up in here because you don't want any debris in the new blow motor. Line it up, sit up there. I'll start the first screw. Because it's plastic, it's easy to start it by hand. Now we're free to tighten this up. You want it to bottom out and just a little smidge of a turn, quarter turn. It is plastic, you don't want to strip it. All right, let's connect the connector. Line it up till it clicks. Now we'll get that undercarriage kick panel. This has 2 guide pins right here. You'll see the holes in the back of the firewall kick panel. We'll line those right up. We're going to connect our little electrical connector here. And line your clip pins up, push them back. We're ready to connect that battery again. Let's try it out. Now we're ready to connect our negative battery cable. Just going to bring it right over. Move it so it sits nice and flush on top of that battery with the post still sticking out on the top. Take our 10mm wrench, tighten this down. Let's try it out. With this car, all you gotta do is push the button without your foot on the brake twice. And now the power comes on, and I can actually check the blow motor out. So there's all the speeds. Right up to high. Nice and quiet, you can't hear anything but the airflow.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.